In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an order in the Meta Business Suite app using your mobile device. It's a straightforward process, but I'll guide you through each step to ensure everything is crystal clear. First, let's dive into the Meta Business Suite app. The app is a powerful tool designed for businesses to manage communications across Facebook and Instagram. Once you're in, you'll want to direct your attention to the inbox section. This is your central hub for managing customer interactions, and it's here that you can access all your messages and chats. Now, locate a messenger chat from the list available. This is your conversation with the customer, and it's important because it lays the groundwork for setting up the order. Finding the right chat ensures that your order is associated with the correct customer, keeping communications seamless and efficient. With your messenger chat open, notice the option that says Create Order at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on that and you'll be guided to the next step, which is specifying the order amount. Here, you need to enter the total cost of the items or services that your customer wishes to purchase. Be sure to double-check this amount for accuracy as it forms the foundation of your billing process. After entering the order amount, it's time to proceed by tapping on the Next button. This will take you to a screen where you can provide a description for the order. Giving a clear, concise description is key to avoiding any future misunderstandings. Whether it's detailed information about a product or specifics of a service being offered, make sure it's thorough and makes sense to both you and the customer. Once you have entered the description, you simply need to confirm by tapping Create Order once more. This final step officially generates the order, making it ready for processing and further action from your business. Remember, meticulousness throughout this process enhances the professionalism and reliability of your service, ensuring customer satisfaction. With the order created, you're now set up for the next steps in handling your business transactions. Whether it's confirming the order with your customer or preparing for delivery or service, you've laid out a solid structure. Having an organized and systematic approach not only streamlines your workflow but also boosts your confidence in managing business operations. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll effectively create an order using the Meta Business Suite app. This method not only helps in maintaining organized records, but also enhances your interaction with customers, making each transaction smooth and efficient. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to make the most out of your online business tools.